Governor Lee said today he is worried about a spike in child abuse while children are home from school. Bianca Murray found out why some fear a flood of abuse victims will be in the weeks to come.
April is Child Abuse Prevention Month. Tennessee Governor Bill Lee, in his coronavirus update briefing Wednesday, touched on this as a collateral side effect.
The first day of Child Abuse Prevention Month is an important day for us to talk about this. As schools are closed and more of our children are outside of the structured environment that they normally are in with school.
For weeks, schools in Tennessee have been empty due to the pandemic, and with no end in sight, child advocates worry about the decrease of child abuse cases being reported, since teachers are an essential part of the reporting process.
When this pandemic is lifted and children go back to school, we'll see a large influx of reports of child abuse, because it's typically when children are home for Christmas or out of school, we'll generally not see as many cases of abuse.
Tennessee law mandates that anyone with knowledge of a case of child abuse is required to report it, but Gina Fry of the Children's Advocacy Center of Sullivan County says signs may not be so easy to see.
When they're cooped up, having to stay home and not being in their regular situation, it may be hard to be able to tell.
You can find ways to identify and report signs of child abuse on the Children's Advocacy Center's website, or call the Child Abuse Hotline in Sullivan County. Bianca Murray, News Channel 11.
If you suspect incidents of child abuse or neglect, they can be filed at tn.gov/DCS, or you can call the Child Abuse Hotline. We have that number on your screen, 877-237-0004.